Madam, Vice hyphen Chairman, comma, yesterday the Honorable Minister made a very strong case for his resolution stop. He stressed the necessity for an integrated approach to these problems stop. He appealed in the name of national integration to accept this proposal stop. He also stressed the necessity of having emotional integration through this measure stop. Well, I am not against having an integrated approach as far as both education and agriculture are concerned stop, but my fear is whether this step in the present context will at all help the integrated approach which he wants and the national integration which he is aspiring for stop. Now I will concentrate more on the educational service stop para. I was thinking about this problem after I heard the Honorable Minister yesterday with my state in my mind stop. Our state is considered to be one of those which are so far ahead in education stop, but unfortunately the situation there is not very happy stop. Coming to college education in our state, there are a large number of private colleges stop. There are a number of government colleges and there are a few colleges directly under the university stop. Now, comma, those college teachers who are directly under the university are considered to be the blessed few because they have a higher salary, comma, fewer hours of work and sometimes the number of students whom they have to teach happens to be very limited, comma, whereas teachers with the same qualifications employed in government colleges, comma, have to work 18 hours or even more, comma, and they get a meager salary stop. The creation of these universities teachers instead of helping to integrate is causing so much of discontent among the government college teachers stop. Now, comma, this creation of an all India education service will create another few persons who may be much better placed than either the university teachers or the government college teachers stop. This state of affairs, I am afraid, will create more confusion rather than help integration stop para. Now, comma, as I mentioned earlier, there is a third category of private college teachers stop. Their condition is not very much better than that of high school teachers stop. In some cases, comma, their condition is worse stop. The pay they used to get was so low that whenever they got a better chance elsewhere, they used to leave these colleges and go stop. The result of this state of affairs on the education in the colleges is that their standards are very low throughout the whole country stop para. So, comma, when I think of the integration of education in my state, leaving aside the other parts of India. Stop. I feel much more than introducing this all India service. Some other things have to be done in our state to remove this anomaly, and I feel that as far as college education is concerned, whether it be in the private sector or in the public sector, wherever it is, the government have to take the responsibility for college education. Stop. The pay and other things have to be almost similar as far as these private colleges, government colleges, and the university